When considering Bluehost dedicated hosting, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before making your decision, especially when comparing it to other top competitors like SiteGround or HostGator. If you're looking for a hosting plan that offers high performance and dedicated resources, you'll want to stick around for this breakdown. First, let's talk about performance. Bluehost offers impressive speed with their dedicated hosting plans, but in comparison to competitors like HostGator, the performance might not be as high without upgrading to premium features. If website speed and uptime are key for you, be sure to look into these additional options. Next, customer support. Bluehost provides 24/7 support, and their team is generally helpful. But, compared to SiteGround, who is often praised for their faster response times and more personalized service, Bluehost might not always be your first choice if support speed is critical to you. Third, let's look at the server configuration options. Bluehost gives you plenty of flexibility with its server options, but it's worth noting that its standard plans may not offer the same variety as competitors. If you're running a resource-intensive website, you might want to consider checking out more customizable solutions from HostGator or SiteGround, where configurations can be more tailored. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Bluehost's dedicated hosting can be slightly more affordable when compared to some alternatives, especially if you're going for a basic package. However, if you're on a tighter budget, be sure to account for the extra costs of backups and security features, which may come at an additional charge. Moving on to scalability. With Bluehost, you can scale up your server resources as your business grows, but SiteGround offers a smoother transition to higher tier plans, which could be a deciding factor if you anticipate rapid growth. The sixth thing is uptime. Bluehost guarantees a 99.9% uptime, which is decent, but SiteGround often exceeds that, with an average uptime of 99.99%. This could be a crucial factor if your business relies heavily on online traffic and can't afford downtime. Seventh, let's talk about the control panel. Bluehost uses cPanel, which is user-friendly and familiar to most people in the industry. That being said, if you want more robust features for managing your hosting account, HostGator might offer a more comprehensive experience with its more advanced control panels. Next, security. Bluehost provides solid security features like free SSL, firewalls, and site monitoring. But SiteGround's security offerings, such as daily backups and proactive monitoring, give it an edge in terms of protection. Ninth, backup options. Bluehost offers backups, but they're not always included in the standard package. This means you'll need to purchase additional backup services. Compare that to HostGator, which offers more frequent and automatic backups with their dedicated hosting plans. The 10th thing is speed optimization. Bluehost offers solid performance, but SiteGround's more advanced caching tools give it a slight advantage in terms of optimizing site speed, especially for high traffic sites. 11th, Bluehost's ease of use. If you're a beginner, Bluehost's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and set up your server. But for advanced users, the platform might not be as customizable as HostGator's offerings. Finally, let's talk about value for money. Bluehost is generally a good deal, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. However, if you need top-tier performance, you might find that SiteGround offers better value for money at higher-tier plans, thanks to its superior speed and security features. So, is Bluehost dedicated hosting a good option? It absolutely can be, especially for businesses that don't need extreme scalability or top-tier support. But if you're looking for something with more customization, better performance, or premium features, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.